Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving deep into the wonderful world of cheese. Yep, that delicious creamy goodness that makes everything better. So, let's go from farm to table and see how cheese is made. First up, the farm. It all starts with happy cows grazing on lush, green pastures. Healthy cows produce the best milk, and that's the foundation of great cheese. Farmers milk the cows, usually twice a day, and the raw milk is collected and stored. Once the milk is gathered, it's time for pasteurization. This process heats the milk to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria. Now, some artisanal cheeses skip this step to retain more natural flavors, but for safety, pasteurization is pretty standard. Next, we add cultures and rennet. Cultures are bacteria that kickstart the fermentation process, giving the cheese its unique flavor and texture. Rennet, an enzyme, helps the milk coagulate, turning it from liquid into curds and whey. Yep, like Little Miss Muffet. After the rennet does its magic, the curds are cut into small pieces. This helps expel more whey and start the transformation into solid cheese. The smaller the curds, the more moisture is released, and the firmer the cheese will be. Next, the curds are cooked and stirred. This step varies depending on the type of cheese being made. Higher temperatures and longer cooking times usually result in harder cheeses. Once they're just right, we drain the whey and leave behind our precious curds. Now, it's time to shape the cheese. The curds are pressed into molds, squeezing out any remaining whey and giving the cheese its final shape. This pressing can take a few hours to even a whole day, depending on the cheese type. After pressing, most cheeses go through a salting process. Salt adds flavor, acts as a preservative, and helps form the cheese's rind. This can be done by rubbing the cheese with dry salt or soaking it in a brine solution. And finally, we age the cheese. This is where the magic happens. Aging, or affinage, can take anywhere from a few weeks to several years. The cheese develops its flavor and texture in controlled conditions, and affineurs often turn and brush the cheese to ensure even aging. And there you have it. From the farm to your table, that's how cheese is made. Next time you enjoy a piece of cheddar or a slice of brie, you'll know the journey it took to get there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.